Hello, everyone. Welcome to my creative photography workshop. After completing the pre-shoot planning, hands-on practice, and post-production, we can now review the final results. Let us conduct a thorough review and reflection. Through the exercises in this course, the final work achieved the intended outcome. The piece was refined through continuous shooting and post-production adjustments. We now carry out a retrospective analysis. Issues encountered during the shoot. First, background lighting problem. When we first tested the background light, we failed to control its direction properly. The circle in the frame came out distorted. Instead of round, it became an oval. Later, we repositioned the spotlight to shine frontally along the optical axis, and the moon became perfectly round. Therefore, the circular moon made the composition much more satisfying. To create a hazy atmosphere that complemented the moon, we held a phone in front of the laser to partially block it, producing a gradual fade on the lunar disk. This matched the poetic mood we wanted. Second, another issue during the shoot. The ripple texture of the PE mirror in the background was not very visible in the frame, probably because our light was too soft. So we eventually abandoned the idea of using light spots as an atmospheric enhancer. We simply dropped it. Third, the dreamy smoke effect. When we first tried to create it, without backlighting the smoke, the result was barely noticeable. We then added backlights to fixtures, one above and one below, which made the smoke stand out beautifully. Additionally, with the handheld smoke machine, a small bottle of fluid lasts only about 30 seconds, so we had to shoot quickly. Within that narrow window of smoke release, time was of the essence. Fourth point, we talked about the key light from the front. We used a parabolic reflector very close to the face to keep the image clean. It must not be placed too far away. If it is too distant, the skin texture will degrade noticeably. Fifth, an unexpected bonus. When we shot from a low angle, we discovered beautiful reflections on the glossy floor panels. We captured several frames with these reflections. The reflections enhanced the poetic quality of the images, aligning perfectly with our theme. Sixth, regarding composition, we could frame the shot a little tighter, or conversely, leave it slightly looser, allowing a bit more negative space. This would facilitate post-production additions such as mountains or water. Seventh, when we photographed the tabletop scene, we covered it with PE mirror paper, an unplanned experiment. The overall color palette, once the PE mirror paper was laid down, felt more harmonious and cohesive. All these issues were discovered during the actual shoot, details we had overlooked in the initial planning stage. We must keep practicing on set, developing our ability to solve problems on the fly. By continuously improving our responsiveness and troubleshooting skills, we elevate our photographic craft. I hope this review and reflection gives everyone deeper insights from the shooting exercise.